Okay, good morning to all my dear students and audience. Today our topic is past perfect tense. I want to explain about past perfect tense. It is very important tense. First of all, we will see the rules of the past perfect tense. First rule is there will be चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे at the end of the Hindi sentence. Remember that is the third form will be used in this tense. Helping verb had will be used as helping verb. If the sentence is negative, then had will be used. If the sentence is interrogative, had will be used before the subject. In this sentence tense, we will see there are two important words, that is the before and after. These two words will be used in this tense, and sentence of this tense will be complex. Sentence of this tense will be complex sentence. Any sentence we will write that will be complex. For your practice only you can write the simple sentence, but it is this sentence tense has the complex sentence. Now I want to express you four important rules of past perfect tense, which are very important for those students who want to learn English, how to speak and how to write and how to understand. In this tense, first of all, there will be the two work. That's why I told you that it will be the complex sentence. In this tense, two sentences. In the both the sentence there will be two works, and both works will have been, had been. You can say have finished in the past. Both the work had passed in the finished in the past. यानी इस वाक्य के अंदर इस टेंस में कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस होंगे दो, उन दोनों के अंदर भूतकाल के अंदर कार्य समाप्त हो चुका होता है. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस. सेकंडली, वन वर्क हैज फिनिश्ड बिफोर एंड सेकंड वर्क हैज फिनिश्ड आफ्टर. दैट्स व्हाई इन बिफोर एंड आफ्टर, before word when we will use in the complex sentence, before word will come, then the first work had finished before and one work will finish after the before. Likewise, one work has finished after the word and one work had passed before finished before the after. दोबारा बताना चाहता हूं, हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं आपको कि इस टेंस में दो कार्य होंगे. जो सेंटेंस बनेगा उसको कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस कहते हैं, जिसके अंदर बिफोर और आफ्टर का प्रयोग होगा. एक कार्य बिफोर से पहले समाप्त हो जाता है, एक कार्य बाद में होगा. वो सारा काम पास्ट टाइम भूतकाल में होगा. एक कार्य आफ्टर के बाद खत्म होगा और एक कार्य पहले समाप्त हो जाता है. ये दोनों भूतकाल के अंदर बिफोर इन द पास्ट टाइम. नाउ इन दिस सेंटेंस, द सेंटेंस विल बी complex sentence, means two sentences will come in this tense. Likewise, we want to make first simple sentences. I had finished my work yesterday. Yesterday word is indicating towards the past tense and had is indicating that the work had finished in the past. And third form will be used, and this is the helping verb of the past perfect tense. He had written his letter before me. This is the before. I did not write the complete another sentence. It is the simple affirmative sentence. He had written his letter before me. हिंदी में बताना चाहता हूं वह अपना पत्र मेरे से पहले लिख चुका था. This is the had as a helping verb, and this is the main verb of the right word. Likewise, we have to written that third form of the main verb will be used, and as a helping verb it will be had. Now, if the sentence is likewise third sentence, you had cooked rice after me. मेरे बाद में आपने चावल पका लिए, तुम चावल पका चुके थे. मैं उससे पहले तुम चावल पका चुके थे. That work has finished in the past time. This is the helping verb had, and cooked is the main verb. Now in interrogative sentence, as I told you, had not will be used. I had not played hockey before 2009. हिंदी बताना चाहता हूं 2009 से पहले मैं हॉकी नहीं खेल चुका था. This is the simple sentence. So had is the helping verb, and not is the negative word, and played is the third form. Why had he composed this poem in 2019? This word indicates the present time, but the person is talking in the present time, but the work had finished in the past in 2019. This is the helping verb, and this is a main verb composed. इसका हिंदी में अर्थ ये होगा कि वह इस कविता को 2009 में क्यों कंपोज कर चुका था. You don't feel it that this is the present indefinite word, but further the work you will find that the had indicates what the past perfect. The work had finished in the past, and the year 2019 it has passed in the past. Had passed in the past. Now, why had he not gone to Jaipur after me? This is the helping verb. This is the interrogative sentence WH word, and it is the main verb third form, and it is the single sentence or affirmative. That is the interrogative WH word. Now I want to clear it that you will find this is the complex sentence. These are a complex sentences. Why these? I told you in the beginning that there will be two works in this sentence and in this tense, and you will find two works in sentence, and first work has finished before and second work has finished after. You see, the train had gone before I reached the station. Before word is here. Before word there is one sentence, that is the train had gone, and second sentence is I reached the station. I told you before one work has finished, both the work has finished, but in both work which work will finish first? That will be written with the helping verb had. Likewise, ट्रेन हैड गोन यानी रेलगाड़ी जा चुकी थी. बिफोर द आई रीच द स्टेशन, मेरे स्टेशन पहुंचने से पहले. क्या मतलब वर्क विच हैज फिनिश्ड, देन यू विल राइट हैड एंड थर्ड फॉर्म द मेंबर. जिस काम, दोनों कामों में जो काम पहले समाप्त हो चुका है, उस काम के अंदर आप हैड और मेन वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म लगाओगे, और चाहे बिफोर हो चाहे आफ्टर हो, उसके बाद वाला वाक्य होगा वो पास्ट इंडेफिनिट का होगा, मेन वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म लगेगी, लाइक दिस आई रीच्ड द स्टेशन। सेकंड है द पेशेंट हैड डाइड बिफोर द डॉक्टर केम। हियर इज द बिफोर and which work had finished. Patient had died. Patient had died. There are two works. One work is a patient to die, यानी पेशेंट को मरना है। सेकंड वर्क डॉक्टर इज टू रीच, और डॉक्टर को पहुंचना है पेशेंट के पास। इसका मतलब डॉक्टर हैड रीच्ड द पेशेंट, but before he approaching the patient had died. It means this work had finished first. Hence we will write had and third form the main verb. And before doctor came, this is the past indefinite tense. Now third is the teacher came after the students had come to class. Here which work has finished first? Here the student had already reached in the school class. After reaching the students in the class, teacher came. It means teacher is the second work and the students coming to the class is the first work. Hence first work which has finished, the students had already come in the class. So it means we will write a student had come to class, or second work is a teacher came after, यानी अध्यापक बाद में आया, बच्चे पहले पहुंच चुके हैं। This is only the remember in the mind that which work had finished first out of two, you will have to use the past perfect tense, and the work second work which will finish, which had finished in the past, then you will use the past indefinite tense. Now I will write in the next video just after it a exercise of this tense, and you will see how I am going to fill in the blanks, and you will see the in examination how they are coming. Okay, thank you. This is the part 1, part first of past perfect.